Hi, I'm John Barnes, CFP professional and experienced insurance broker. Today on the Barnestorming podcast, we discuss body part insurance, namely insuring your hands and the best way to do that. I receive many inquiries from professionals wanting hand insurance. Many celebrities, athletes, and entertainers insure their hands. But here's the real question: do you need hand insurance? And if your hands are how you earn a living as a surgeon, dentist, musician, electrician, dental hygienist, chef, plumber, therapist, or tradesperson, is hand insurance actually the best way to protect yourself? The answer might surprise you. In this educational video, I'll explain what hand insurance is, why most people are looking at the wrong risk, and why disability insurance is usually a much better way to insure your hands and protect your income. Take a look at your hands for a second. What do you see? I see one of the most valuable financial assets you own. Think about it. Surgeons use their hands. Dentists use their hands. Electricians, plumbers, mechanics, chefs, massage therapists, dental hygienists, musicians, artists, truck drivers, and office workers all use their hands every single day. I'm even using my hands right now to create this video. Just about every professional needs his or her hands to do the job. But what would happen if you suddenly lost the ability to use them? How would you earn an income? How would you pay your mortgage, your rent, your student loans, your family's bills? That's why many people start searching for hand insurance. They realize their hands is an asset and the source of their livelihood. Hand insurance is a specialty insurance policy that pays a benefit if you lose the use of your hands because of a covered injury or illness. Sounds great, right? Well, here's the catch. Most hand insurance policies are designed for very specific situations and very specific people. I'm talking about celebrities, elite athletes, famous musicians, and high-profile entertainers. In many cases, these policies only pay when there's a complete and permanent loss of use of the hands, or in some situations, amputation or catastrophic injury. For example, if a world-famous guitarist loses the use of his hands, his career may be over instantly. That's why these policies exist. But for most people, hand insurance has a major flaw. Here's the problem with specific hand insurance. What if your disability has nothing to do with losing your hands? What if you develop cancer? What if you have a heart attack? What if you injure your back? What if you suffer a serious shoulder injury? What if anxiety, depression, or another health condition prevents you from working? A hand insurance policy typically won't pay in those situations. In fact, I see that many professionals are worried about the wrong risk. A surgeon may be far more likely to develop a tremor. A tradesperson may develop chronic wrist pain. A massage therapist may develop tendinitis. An office worker may develop severe carpal tunnel syndrome. A chef might suffer repetitive stress injuries after years of work. A dental hygienist may develop back, neck, and/or shoulder pain. All of them, including me, could develop cancer, have a stroke, or develop a mental illness. These conditions can end careers without ever causing a total loss of a hand. That's why protecting only one body part often leaves major gaps in your financial protection. This is where disability insurance comes in. Think of disability insurance as a full body income protection policy. Instead of covering just your hands, it protects your ability to earn an income. If you're unable to work due to an illness, injury, accident, or disability, the policy can provide a monthly benefit. That means coverage for things like hand injuries, wrist injuries, shoulder injuries, back injuries, cancer, heart disease, neurological conditions, and many other disabling illnesses. For employees, disability insurance often replaces around 60% of gross income. Business owners and self-employed professionals may be able to insure 70% or more of their net income. And here's something most people don't know. Many policies include something called a presumptive disability benefit. If you lose the use of both hands, both feet, a hand and a foot, or experience other catastrophic losses defined in the contract, the insurance company may automatically consider you disabled and begin paying benefits. In some cases, waiting periods can even be waived. Disability insurance is especially important for physicians, surgeons, dentists, and other highly specialized professionals. Many of these professionals ask me whether they need to specifically insure their hands. Usually the answer is no. What they need is a strong disability insurance policy with a true or specialty own occupation definition. That means if you're a surgeon and develop a hand tremor that prevents you from performing surgery, you may qualify for benefits, even if you're still capable of working in another occupation. That includes other occupations in healthcare or even teaching. That's a powerful level of protection that hand insurance alone often can't provide. So, can you insure your hands? Yes. But for most people, the better question is, should you insure only your hands, or should you protect your entire ability to earn an income? For most professionals, disability insurance provides broader protection, greater flexibility, and coverage for the risks that are most likely to impact their careers. It protects your entire ability to earn an income. If you'd like help finding the right disability insurance policy for your occupation, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to answer your questions and help you protect your most valuable asset, your ability to earn an income. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone whose career depends on their hands.